Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a course, test or poll on Pruffme.com. First of all, you need to be signed up on our platform. Click the sign in button in the top right corner and select sign up or sign in accordingly. Click on one of three buttons on the main page, course, test or poll, or click on your account name and choose the needed option from the menu and click create button. Here we can see two main sections. All of the main elements are located on the menu on the left. The main section where you'll be dragging the necessary elements is on the right. To add an element to your course, drag it from the menu on the left to the main section. We have more buttons in the top right corner. Here you can find the Compact View button, Settings and Progress buttons. You can also save your course by clicking Save and go to the Settings button. In the top left corner, you can always upgrade your plan. By clicking on the Settings button, you can find four main sections: Levels of Access, Design, Display Logic, Date and Time. In the Levels of Access section, you can add a questionnaire with any questions regarding important information about your students. You can limit access to your course by adding a users list or setting up a password. Choose a Registered Users option to allow access only for sign-up Pruffme users. Design section contains settings that can help you customize your course. You can set an image as a background, design your course header and next button by changing text font, size, color, and also hide question numbers. The following settings allow you to create a course with a more complex structure. Adaptive branches allow you to direct students to different course sections depending on their answers. Create content for various branches and set up the rules to direct students to these branches from the main section. By using the Compact View setting, you can display a preview of the course content. One-by-one option is used to make sure students can access the course content only in the order the lessons were uploaded. Using the next setting, you can place all elements on different pages. And with Allow Access to all pages, your students can open any page of your course. Date and Time section contains global timer and all-page timer. You can set a time limit for the whole course or a single page. In the Description section, you can change a title or a link, add description, category or language, and assign moderators. To allow your moderators to edit your course, click on the crown icon. Do not forget to save the changes by clicking Save button at the bottom. Progress section contains a list of all the students who have participated in your course. You can download general or detailed statistics. You can see your students' answers by clicking on the eye icon next to the student's name or assign a particular moderator for a particular student. For better navigation, use the Compact View button here. Now let's talk about different elements that you can use to create a course. Let's have a look at the main questions first. Drag a single choice question to the main section. In the Appeared section, you can do some settings and editing. As you can see, there is a section on the top where you can add and edit a text or an image. You can see the Answer section below. If necessary, you can change a number of answers. Edit, mix or delete the answers by clicking on the message icon. Choosing your answer, you will allow your students to write their own answer. Select a number of columns to make a question be visually more structured. There are two options you can use to display answers to your students. Show the right answer after pressing the next button. By clicking the next button for the first time, a student will see the right answer. With another click, a student will be shown the next question. Show the right answer immediately. Show the statistic immediately will allow your students to see how popular the answer is among all the students. You can also see a points section on the right and a section where you can create rules on the left. By using it, you can set a rule how many points a student will be given for a certain answer. Add a comment to any questions and explain why the particular answer is not correct, or even add a rule that a student should have used. You can also direct your students to different questions depending on the student's answers. Create a rule and click on the Add the branch to select the branch of the course where students will be led to. We have a few more settings left. Comment section can be used for your students to leave comments only for you to see and leave feedback. Chat will allow your students to communicate with each other. Activity function allows you to track statistic of the particular question, so you can see the amount or percentage of all the given answers. Required questions cannot be skipped by students. If you are only creating some questions and don't want your students to see them for now, choose hidden question. Your students will not see this question until you disable this feature. Multiply choice section works the same way as single choice section but has multiple correct answers. Make sure you fully describe the rule for every question if you want your students to get the points right. The Textbox section will not allow your students to proceed with the course without its evaluation. It also contains a comment section so we can leave a detailed response. By using Element Video, you can upload a video to your course from the Files section where you store all of your files, or upload a new MP4 file from your device. In the Following section, you can add a description of your video, change its size by clicking on it. Keep in mind that it should change its color to gray to be displayed in small size, and set a certain percentage that your student has to watch to get to the next question. Same goes for the audio section, which allows you to upload files in the MP3 format. Essay works the same as Textbox, but students have more space to type and also can change text font, size, color, and alignment. Next section is ranking. Make sure to set the right order for answers. Students should make the same ranking as you did. Drop-down list works the same as a single choice, but only looks different. Next section, rating, can be used for polls. You can choose its display mode and number of the bars. Use the text section to add some information for your students. In the presentation section, you can upload the presentation, change its size by clicking on it. It should change the color to gray to be displayed in small size, and set a certain percentage that your student has to watch to get to the next question and receive points. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave any comments below or contact us via email support@pruffme.com.